Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhan Pabi. So ito po yung ating unit na Army Armament R17-3. Yan, so may kasama pong previous yan na mag. Then pa-subscribe na rin po yung ating YouTube channel and Facebook page. Yan. Napakaganda ng mga freebies and also yung ating cup. At syempre meron tayong kasamang sticker. Yan. Syempre ito ating magazine. 24 rounds magazine capacity ng Glock 17. Siyempre may kasama din siyang threaded adapter para dun sa muzzle, no? Yan, so ito po yung ating unit na Army Armament R17-3. Yan. Napakaganda. Always trigger frame gear out. Is a toy only. So I'll slide with a special texture. At syempre, metal outer barrel po yan. Yan, so yun po yung kanyang design. Yan. And then, fixed front and rear side po yan. Yan, so may dot na color green. And then, polymer lower frame. With 20mm lower rail. So pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight, no? So ito po ay realistic trigger, function same as real steel. And then half-up adjustable